welcome back to an all new video today. The reason why my video is completely different today, and hopefully will be in the future, is because I have included my good friend Emil, who will help me improve my videos within my channel. He has a company called ELS Production. I put a link in the description below, and as you'll hopefully see in this video, it will improve the quality and also help me have someone that I can spar my ideas with and help improve the overall videos on my channel. So what you can look forward to is a whole lot more car videos and also a lot more from my racing. So what we're going to try and do is that we're going to try and make sure that we put up a video every Sunday at 12 o'clock or thereabouts, so that we always have something that you guys can look forward to on my channel. And what we're going to feature today is, first of all, we're going to see what Emil thinks of working with me, of course, and also with the cars.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I look very much forward to working with Max, also in his racing career, and follow him. And then, yeah, of course, film these lovely cars and try to experience firsthand and try to give you viewers the best view of the car, and yeah, try to get the feeling of it, because it's amazing cars that we have in the timeline and portfolio right now for the next coming weeks.
Absolutely, we have some awesome stuff planned, so make sure to stay tuned. But today, I first of all want to introduce, this is my brother's Golf 6R. It's been tuned by MTM, and we want to show you guys exactly what it sounds like, what it's like to drive, and some overall awesome footage of this car. So check out some of this. So now that you've been introduced to what we're going to be doing today, you join Emil and I in Toby, my brother's, Golf 6R. This car has been worked over by MTM tuning, which means that it has 331 horsepower instead of the standard 270. But my favourite thing about this car is actually the MTM downpipe with a sports catalytic converter. And as we're going to show you on a clip now, it sounds absolutely amazing, not just on the inside but also from the outside. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. So now that you've seen exactly what it sounds like from the outside, you join us back in the car where you can hear exactly what it sounds like inside. At the moment, obviously, I am driving quite sensibly, so I've got it in drive, and at the moment we're in 5th gear, now 6th gear, and it's relatively quiet, nice and easy going, awesome car to drive, and you can easily pop down to the shops without anybody even noticing that it's a 330 horsepower monster. Other than that, we also gave it a shot at launch control. It has sports tyres by Michelin, but of course they're summer tyres, and at the moment it is exactly 0 degrees here in Denmark, so there wasn't a lot of traction. But this is the first car I have ever been in that has actually been able to do proper 4-wheel drive wheel spin off the line. Absolutely amazing, so check this out. As you can see from the launch control, it is absolutely crazy. It is so quick. It actually goes from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in approximately 4.1 seconds from what we've timed. Other than that, this also has the upgraded front discs, so it has ventilated front discs, which improves its ability to get rid of the heat from the front brakes when obviously you put it on the track. It also has the variable suspension settings that allow you to adjust whether you want to be in sport or comfort or in normal mode, so that allows you to adjust the stiffness of the car to really set it up for a sporty drive. I do, however, though, think it is a little bit too stiff when it's on the hard setting, but it's fantastic to be able to choose between them. So we chose to film this video today out here on these roads in the country of Fyn. We're a little bit outside of the main towns here in Fyn because they have some amazing roads here that we're going to show you through some drone footage. So what we're going to do now is that we're just going to enjoy the drive and catch up with you guys in just a minute. That thing is fast. That is so quick. I think probably my favorite thing about this car is the pops and bangs it makes on the downshifts, on the upshifts, just about everywhere. I think this car sounds absolutely amazing. With that MTM 3-inch downpipe and the sports catalytic converter, it makes a huge difference to the standard exhaust system and makes it sound absolutely amazing. So I hope that got caught on camera. Emil, what do you think? Was that all right?
Yeah, it was very good.
Fantastic. So we're gonna head somewhere else and see if we can film it a little bit more. So now that you've seen exactly what we think of this Golf R, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Make sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to see exactly what we have planned for next Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys soon.